What's up, guys? Welcome to the BT Cars. Hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, we're back at Utah Motorsports campus for the third time. We're back here at UMC. So, got a nice little car show here. All right, we got this thing right here. This thing is crazy.
It's a three-wheeler underneath. There's one wheel.
Look at that, guys. Also, right-hand side steering on this.
That's cool. Super
so sick, yeah. Oh yeah.
You want to sit in, you can.
Really? Thank you.
Go for it.
All right. Awesome. Okay. All right. These are sick. Okay. Looks like.
What's a big ass?
Oh yeah, three-wheeler. Look at it. He's ready to drive.
Oh yep. All right.
Manual.
Oh yeah.
You love the company. You got a top gear.
That's awesome.
I mean, I got 20 minutes. I probably should go watch.
Three-wheeler. It's crazy.
This thing is crazy. Oh yeah. Got a Nissan Skyline. I'm pretty sure this is R33 or 4. Thing is insane.
Skylines are sick.
Oh yeah. Look at this engine. Turbo right there. So sick. Alright, we got some more cars coming over here. Here. Got a Mustang right here. Love the back end of that. Also, interior. Alright. Awesome. Love the back.
Color.
Oh yeah.
This is a 1973 Plymouth Cuda. Oh yeah, look at that.
So sick.
That is pure muscle.
Yes.
Pure
Never
muscle.
done.
Oh yeah.
Also got the white interior.
Check out the interior here.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah, gorgeous.
It's gorgeous. Okay.
And then we got the 340 Magnum Dodge Charger Rally. Oh yeah, that is a 72. Beautiful car. God, they just don't make them like this anymore. Dodge Power Wagon. Heck yeah. Look at that. That's sick. That is sick. Those matching rims are, oh yeah. Got a 61 Corvette. So cool. Teardrop. Oh, I love them. Check this out. This is what we're talking about right here. Oh yeah. Roll cage. This is pure race. Jeez, look at that motor. What do you think of that? Do you like that one or this one?
Opening up the butterflies.
Oh yeah. So cool.
Okay. Oh yeah, this is absolutely insane. Dodge Viper ACR right here. This thing is wicked with those side things on there. Carbon fiber. This is a race car right there. Thing is so awesome. Sorry. Oh yeah. This is insane. Love the Vipers. Alright, also, we have found this Mercedes AMG GTS. Has roughly 700 horsepower. This thing is awesome. Finished here in solar yellow. Unbelievable car.
What's the 0 to 60 time?
3.2 seconds.
3.5.
Oh, 3.5, whatever.
How about the quarter mile?
11.2.
Yeah, right around 11.2. That's sick.
I love the color in solar yellow. Also, the rims just pop on this car.
We're about 100,000.
Yep. Awesome.
Cool, guys.
Not bad. I really like this car. Look at that wing on that. That's insane. All the carbon fiber up here. Crazy. So yeah, he actually, the owner of this car owns Automotive Addiction. Right there, Automotive Addiction. Here in Southtown Mall and Provo. So if you live in Utah, then check it out. For sure. There's way more cars in there. So make sure to check it out. Be another walk around of this twin turbo V8. Oh yeah, beautiful car.